I am promoting her right now. Xtend-Ur Beauty. Her name is in the caption. She sent this to me. So we're gonna open it up. Love the box. Like, this is beautiful, the box itself. Xtend-Ur Beauty. So here's the package, y'all. I'll wait for you to give a reaction over here on the backup page. Over here, please. Her business card is here. The package is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I want to put her phone number. It says Xtend-Ur Beauty. Email xtendurbeauty@gmail.com. Her website is www.xurbeauty.com. Thank you, Miss Harriet. Thank you. So we're opening up a package. I am promoting Xtend-Ur Beauty. These are the tools that came with the package. Thank you. This is what she sent me, y'all. Isn't it beautiful? I'm going to have to wear contacts. I'm literally going to have to wear contacts. Thank you for the love. Y'all share the live. Look at that, y'all. It's like look at the box. Now, this is what I'm talking about, right? Thank you for sharing. Look at the box. OMG, this is beautiful, y'all. Love it. Y'all check her out. Check her out. Even if you're watching in the replay, she is tagged. And this is called Sassy. S-A-S-S-Y. She is tagged in the caption, so she can know that I am promoting her. We're going to put this back. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And she has it all packed up, all nice, beautiful, professional. I really like it, but I'm going to have contacts with those, y'all. Contacts with those. But y'all know I'll dress it up quick, fast, in a hurry. I came on because I needed to promote her.